Myself, Aisha Tansi. My poster topic is a case study on bilateral ectopia lentis in homocystinuria. Homocystinuria is a rare metabolic inborn disorder caused due to dysfunctional cystathione beta synthase enzyme activity. It results in elevated levels of methionine and homocysteine in blood and urine. It is an autosomal recessive disorder. Ectopia lentis is a rare ocular disorder with displacement of crystalline lens in the eye. Ectopia lentis is a major ocular complication of homocystinuria. Abnormal concentration of glycoproteins in homocystinuria weakens Johnla fibers, causing bilateral inferior nasal displacement of lens and high myopia. The purpose of the study is to study the ocular findings associated with homocystinuria and for early diagnosis and to prevent complications. A 45 years old male patient came with complaints of defective vision in both eyes to OPD by his son. Slit lamp examination reveals bilateral inferior nasal subluxation of lens, no history of trauma, no history of consanguineous marriage. Lab investigations revealed high hyperhomocystinuria levels of 126 micromoles per liter. Ophthalmological findings in right eye: best corrected visual acuity is 660, retinoscopic findings -8 diopters, slit lamp examination showing displacement of lens to inferior nasal border, lens IMSC, fundus examination media hazy due to CLO, optic disc size, shape, color appears normal, margins distinct, A:V 2:3, macula on, foveal reflex present. In left eye, best corrected visual acuity is 660, retinoscopic findings are -8 diopters. Slit lamp examination reveals displacement of lens to inferior nasal border, lens IMSC. Fundus examination shows media hazy due to CLO, optic disc size, shape, color appears normal, margins distinct, A:V 2:3, macula on, foveal reflex present. A diagnosis of bilateral inferior nasal subluxation of lens in homocystinuria is made by the findings of the patient. Patient is advised to take pyridoxine 100 mg BD and methionine restricted diet. Homocystinuria is a rare 1 in 3 lakh population but can cause 90% of ectopia lentis in cases. The importance of early diagnosis by clinical examination along with blood tests and genetic tests. Early diagnosis helps in initiating the dietary modifications that arrest the progression of various complications associated with homocystinuria for better quality of life.